Good morning, children. How are you all? All are good? So, children, let's start this session with a prayer. Okay? So, join your hands and get ready for the prayer. Let's start, children. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasme Shri Guruve Namaha. Very good. So children, let's start with the English subject, okay? As you all know that we are revising the patterns, okay? We have started the revision part of the patterns, and till your last session, English session, we have revised the which pattern? Sleeping line, right? So today we are going to revise the next line that is given in this book, that is standing line. Okay? Now children, standing line. Why we are revising the patterns? I know that you all have learned uppercase alphabets in your nursery section, right? But in your junior KG section, now you are going to learn the lowercase, that is small letters, with the help of the patterns. So due to that, we are revising these patterns once again. Okay? Yes. So today we are going to revise and practice the pages for standing line. How do you draw a standing line? From top to bottom. The line should be in a standing position, very straight. This is called as a standing line. The line should be in the standing position. And what do you mean by sleeping line? The line should be in a sleeping position. This is called as sleeping line. This is what we revised in the last session. So today we are going to revise the standing line. Okay? I'll show you an example of a standing line. Okay? So children, you can see that what I have drawn. A flower and a pot. I want you all to connect this flower with the pot. How will you do it? Can anyone tell me? Yes, you can do it by drawing a standing line. See, in this way. Got it, everyone? My question was, I want you all to connect the flower to the pot. So I have connected the flower to the pot with the help of the standing line. Okay? So this is a standing line. Now what we will do, we will see the practice page that is given in your book, shapes and color book. Okay? And we will practice all together. So children, this is your book, Shapes and Color, book number 1. In this book, open to your page number 6. Till your last English session, we have practiced this sleeping line, page number 5. And this part, I have told you all to complete this. So this is the standing line. I am a standing line. Stand, stand, stand. Draw me from up to down. Stand, stand, stand. Standing line, how do you draw a standing line from up to down? Right? And how do you draw a sleeping line? From left to right. So, come to this page, page number 7. I have shown you this example. Trace the standing lines, join the flowers to the pots. How you will join the flowers to the pots? With the help of standing line. So, जो ये tracing dots दिए हैं ना, इसे आपको tracing करना है इस पे. So, which type of line is this? Which type of pattern is this? Standing line. Okay. Now coming to here. Trace the standing lines from up to down. From up to down. You have to start from the first red line, passing through the first blue line and touching the bottom blue line. Second blue line. Last red line, second red line को touch नहीं होना चाहिए. From first blue red line, passing through the first blue line, touching the second blue line. In this way you have to draw standing line. Okay. Understood everyone? In this way you have to draw standing line. सिर्फ ये फर्स्ट रेड लाइन को टच करना है, नीचे वाले रेड लाइन को टच नहीं करना है. ओके. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? इन दिस वे you have to complete this page number 7 for standing line. So you all can see that how I have completed this page standing line. Yes, in this way you have to complete this page and practice once again the pattern standing line. Okay. So children, I hope you all have understood what we have revised today. How you have to draw a standing line and from which line you have to start. कौन से line से start करना है और कौन से line तक आपको end करना है. Understood? So now take out your shapes and color book. Open to your English page number 7 and start practicing. Okay children? Yes. So keep learning, keep practicing and keep smiling. Thank you for watching this video. Take out your book and start practicing. Thank you. Bye-bye.